This project is an attempt to introduce the concept indoor navigation using BLE for the visually challenged community and making navigation more convenient with the help of a smart stick and an Android application inside.
You are my best friend and we've got something to do.
Office. Yes. Let's go through the components of our hardware circuit. A rechargeable type 18650 cell lithium ion battery, TP4056 lithium battery charger, HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, piezo buzzer. XY016 is a multi-purpose small and cheap voltage booster. HC05 are small and cheap wireless Bluetooth transceiver modules. 4 vibration motors are used and they are placed on the handle of the stick. LED bulbs. Arduino Nano. Small and easy to use microcontroller board.
Beacons. Considering the data and area of implementation, 5 UFO Endurance V2 beacons are brought, placed in different positions in the map. While placing, it should be noted that each point in the map should come at least 3 beacons range.
The software section consists of 3 parts: Navigene, Android Studio, and Arduino IDE. Navigene. In the website of Navigene, first, the map of the required location is uploaded and is placed according to the satellite map. Next, in the uploaded map, the transmitters, that is BLE beacons, venues, barriers are all added. The possible routes are also drawn. After completion, it should be saved. In the profile section, with the user credentials, Navigene can be integrated with the Android Studio app. In the next part, that is Android Studio, the Navigene user credentials are added in this class. This activity is the splash screen, that is the loading activity. The second activity is the activity in which the speech input is received from the user. In this main activity, where the Navigene is integrated. In this activity, the positioning and navigation are all done. Finally, when the user reaches the destination, the finish activity is called. The last software used is the Arduino IDE, which is used to program the Arduino Nano microcontroller.
Opening the Inside app, after the splash screen, the app connects automatically with the Bluetooth module in the detachable stick. Pressing the mic icon, the user can speak about the required destination. The speech is converted to text. The required destination is checked with the destination list in the background. If the speech input is not present in the list, the user is asked to repeat the speech input. If the speech input is present in the list, the user is asked for a confirmation as a voice.
Office. Yes.
The directions in the route are indicated on the screen and sent to the Arduino such that if the next deviation is either left or right is within 1 meter, the corresponding motor is vibrated, and if the next deviation is after 1 meter, then the motor corresponding to the forward direction is vibrated. This will continue till the destination is reached. Throughout the journey, the user's current location is updated as the initial point of navigation. So, if the user has reached any place other than the destination, the rerouting will occur automatically. At the same time, Arduino Nano reads the distance to the obstacle using the ultrasonic sensor and if the distance is less than or equal to 150 cm, it detects the presence of the obstacle and alerts the user by turning on the buzzer. When the required destination is reached, it gives an alert to the user that the destination is reached through voice command.
You have reached office.